Welcome back to another Cousins Lego Life video. Today I will be showing my Lego turbine that I made. I really hope you enjoyed this build. This is made with a few pieces of Technic. Just at the top, I will be showing later in the video. Just the top, I'll be showing a very basic build with a few pieces of Technic. I hope you enjoy my build. Remember to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be some of the first ones to know about it. I'll see you in the next one. By the way, please subscribe.